Hey there, how's it going? In this video, I'll walk you through the Cleanly dashboard, where you can manage your bookings, staff, services, payments, reports, and settings. Let's dive in. After installing the plugin, the first step is to activate your license by entering your license key. Once done, click Next to continue. Next, you'll be asked to provide some business information, such as business type, company name, website URL, address, city, zip code, and country. After filling everything in, click Next. The following step is payment setup. Here, you'll select your business currency, choose the currency position, and set the currency symbol. Once ready, click Next. Then comes the booking form setup. In this step, you can select the page where the booking form will appear. You can also choose the form position, such as after content, before content, or form only. For the My Account section, select the page where the dashboard will be shown and choose its content position. After that, click Next. You'll then see a confirmation message that your setup is complete. From here, you can go directly to the main dashboard for further customization. In display settings, you can choose between default and advanced design styles. You can configure both single form and multi-step layouts, customize the My Account page, and adjust quick booking form settings. You can also manage the booking form layout, booking summary options, and terms and conditions. In form data, you can enable tax, activate service fees, and set the fee amount. You can also set daily booking limits, for example, 10 bookings per day. Under types, you can add your service types. Under frequency, you can define options such as one-time, weekly, or monthly services. In the service menu, you can add all service items, such as bedrooms, bathrooms, or square footage. Extra services can be added under extra items. Here, you can configure time slots using hourly or half-hour intervals, allow multiple bookings per time slot, and adjust other time-related preferences. Sections like discounts, payment and account settings, customer information, invoice and email settings, and more can be customized easily from the dashboard. Inside the main dashboard, you'll see a complete overview of your business activity, including total revenue, total bookings, and completed bookings. A visual graph gives you insights at a glance. The right sidebar displays booking history, recent orders, and a summary of payments by gateway. In the calendar section, you can view all upcoming and past bookings in a clean calendar format. Under all bookings, you'll find detailed booking information. Additional menus like branches, staff members, reviews, and more give you quick access to all operational features. And that's the Cleanly dashboard in a nutshell. A set of smart tools that makes managing your booking system easier, faster, and fully streamlined.